Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, all of you. I'm walking beside the road. Morning walk is really good for health. That's why I'm walking beside the road and keep watching. I will show you a small canal. Look right side. It's a small canal, not a big canal. Current type don't have much water. Little bit water. Look behind. Some people they caught fish. That's why uh, don't have a lot of water. And we used to catch fish here. It's a memorable place for me. That's why I am showing you, and I will show you left side. Keep watching. It's a banana. You can say banana garden. They are planted banana tree and grow upping nicely. Beside the road, they planted banana tree. You can say it's a village beauty. I invited all of you. Please come my village and visit and to look that banana, green banana, not ripe, and day by day it will be ripe, and it's a fresh banana, and we can eat if we plant. After that, not possible. How we will eat a fresh banana? Every food mixer chemical also they mixer with banana. That's why if we wanna eat fresh banana or vegetable, we have to plant first. Amazing, and I'm really showing you. That's why I'm really happy. Look that this banana not perfect, but really looking good. And this route is a village route. Enjoyable moment for me. I have to walk fast because walk is good for health. That's why I have to walk fast. And now, not only for me, everybody will walk in the morning time because it will help must for your health or every kind of good job. That's why we have to walk morning time. And as you know, I'm an English learner. That's why I'm making videos every day. And I'm not good at English, but I'm trying. And I have to be success. That's why I'm making videos every day. And I'm really grateful to all of you, my dear honorable brothers and sisters. You are helping me or inspire me day by day. I'm really grateful to all of you. Wonderful green view area. I have to finish here. If Almighty wants, you soon next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.